The Justice Department was demanding that an anti-Trump website turn over information about its visitors, which would seem to be in violation of the Constitution. But why don't you break down for us what exactly happened? I think you said that privacy advocates felt it's a McCarthy-esque strategy, or could be.
Yeah, exactly. So around inauguration, a website came up that was used to basically organize Inauguration Day protests. I think it was called disruptj20.com. I'm not 100% sure. I don't remember exactly. And a lot of people visited this website.
That was it, disruptj20.org.
There you go. A lot of people visited. I think they had 1.3 million visitors. And the Justice Department has asked the company that hosts that website, a company in the Bay Area called DreamHost, to turn over identifying information on all 1.3 million of those visits. So, for example, I would be in that because I was covering the protests, and therefore I went to the website to see where the protest would be.
You mean you were doing your job, Pema?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
I would assume there are thousands of journalists who would be swept up by this, as well as Americans who simply could have been interested in learning about protests. Also, that's totally legal. It's not a crime. You have a right to access information anonymously, and essentially, what the privacy rights activists told me is that this is scary because the administration would basically have a map of people they were interested in protesting this administration, and they would know who they are and where they are and what software they're running on their computers, where they live, and once you have that sort of map available of the movement, who knows what you can do. I don't want to be sort of like doomsday and like Orwellian about it, but that they would have that list, and that's pretty scary.